Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2016 on probability, which is a comprehension question saying football teams T1 and T2 have to play two games against each other. It is assumed that the outcomes of the two games are independent of each other. The probabilities of T1 winning, drawing or losing a game against T2 are 1 by 2, 1 by 6 and 1 by 3 respectively. Each team gets 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw and 0 for a loss in a game. Let capital X and capital Y denote the total points scored by the teams T1 and T2 respectively after two games. Then we have to choose the correct answer for the two questions given here. So let's start solving this question right away. So the first question says, what is the probability that X is greater than Y? That is, points secured by T1 are greater than that of T2. So we will have to start by looking at the different possibilities that are there. Since there are three possibilities for each match and there are two matches, so there will be 3 into 3, 9 possibilities as shown here. Now these are the possibilities for T1, same will be existing for T2 also. Let's count the points scored by T1 in these cases. For T1, win and win means 3 plus 3, that is 6 points. Win and lose means 3 plus 0, that is 3 points. Lose and win will mean 0 plus 3, and that is again 3 points. Lose and lose will be 0. Win and draw will be 3 plus 1, that is 4, and so on. So this is going to be the situation in each of these cases. You can see the points earned by team T1 in all these cases. Now for the team 2, in all these cases, we will have these points for the team T2. So from here we can see, in this case, X is greater than Y, and here also and here also. In three cases we can see the points earned by T1 are more than that of T2. So we'll answer the question number 1 based on these three cases. So the answer for the question number 1, which asks for the probability of this happening, will be given as, and since they are independent of each other, we can split them as product of probabilities, putting in the values of the probabilities as 5 by 12. So this is the answer for the first part of the question, which is shown in the option B. Now let's look at the second question, which is asking the probability that X is equal to Y. Now X equal to Y means the points scored by T1 and T2 must be equal. So we can see this is happening here, here, and here. Again, there are three cases: win, lose, lose, win, or draw, draw. So we'll calculate the probabilities accordingly. Since they are independent of each other, we'll break it up as a product of probabilities like this. And now we can put in their values. Probability of win is half, probability of losing is 1 by 3, and similarly, so this comes out as the final answer for this question, which is 13 by 36. We can see it is given in the option C of this question.